of all, a very good morning to ladies and gentlemen, all of you present here, and to my colleagues here on the dais. I always had this on the presentation which would have been educative in nature as to what you can do online to generate more business for your own self. However, given that we have a short time available with us, I thought it would be much better to talk about a specific instance or a case study which leaves us with this idea that why we must go ahead online and have profits generated out of the same exercise. I'm sure what Karthik has discussed so far actually helps me take this forward from here. So my presentation is going to be very, very short, and it's only going to talk about why should we really go about doing an online marketing for us. Now, essentially what we did was, we have a client base of about more than 15,000 SMEs spread all across India, and we thought, the best people to know what is the benefit of online marketing, it is going to be these set of people. So we conducted an analysis of basic research to see what is it that they have gained out of doing an online marketing with us. And the findings for us, to a large extent, were very, very startling. Now, we did a survey for about 750 companies, which were primarily dealing only into pharmaceutical and medical products. Now, out of the survey, the results that came in, they suggest that these 750 companies did a sales of about 300 crores by spending about 4.5 crore rupees on their online marketing. The bottom line is, when we talk about how to do online marketing, what to do in online marketing, let us take it and look at it in the reverse fashion. What is it that we get out of online marketing? And when I really look at a sales of 300 crores being achieved by spending 4.5 crore rupees by these 750 companies, it's a phenomenal ROI that one can really expect. And all these 750 companies, none of them includes a business which has a turnover of more than 75 crores. The largest business size covered amongst these 750 companies had a turnover of 75 crores. We're talking about large businesses, large number of businesses which are small and medium in size, doing a turnover of 300 crores by spending 4.5 crores. By any standards, any media that we pick up, if this is the kind of return that you get, I think it makes a very compelling reason for businesses to adopt that media and boost their businesses. Now, what we really learned out of this entire exercise was the fact that there are these usual benefits that you get out of having a web presence. You're present globally 24/7. Your cost of acquisition of a customer is absolutely low. You not only reach out to a limited geographical boundary, but to an audience which would be national or it could be international, depending upon from where are you really looking at your customers to come from. You not only have immense time and cost savings, but you also have a great reduction in the time that you really take from conceptualizing a product to really testing it with the real customers. Now, with all of these benefits put together, the key question that comes to us is, what is the best way of going and doing this? Is it to be done purely by my team in-house or by my own self? Or we should pick up a company that specializes in building up websites, or we go to marketplaces that are available online so that they can assist us in lead generation. Now, there are multiple such questions that may come to us when we choose to decide or we finalize upon that we have to do online marketing. Now, the answer to all of that is something which is critical for us, and I will spend just about 2 minutes talking about it. If we are absolutely dead sure that I understand how is it that I will go and do my marketing, right? The best way is to go and pick up a vendor who is only an implementer for you. Because you know what is it to be done, how is it to be done. You only need an agency or a person to do it for you. Probably your website design company would be the best option which is suitable to you. You are at a situation wherein you understand that yes, online marketing is necessary for my business, but I really do not have the time or the resource to put myself into it, because I have to look at the production, I have to look at the marketing of my business, I have to do client servicing for my current customers. The best opportunity that you have, or the best option that you have, is to choose a B2B marketplace like IndiaMart.com, which would do this entire solution offering to you without you having to spend a lot of time on it. So, depending upon what is the kind of resource that we can put, what is the kind of time that we can put for our own selves, we could take a call on whether to choose a local website design company, or to have an in-house resource developed, or to choose a B2B marketplace. However, having said this, if we were to achieve something like this as an outcome, let me honestly confess that at no point of time can you move away from the monitoring and analysis of any such marketing exercise that is being done. As an SME, we must be absolutely crystal clear that if we are spending money on online marketing, we need to check and monitor the whole outcome that is coming out of it, because that is what is going to help you in planning and re-strategizing the whole marketing plan that you have and reaching to this level. Now, these 750 companies that we really talked to, one of the best things that we really saw with them was the fact that they had a clear-cut mechanism to monitor the total number of leads which were generated, when was the follow-up done, when was the reply sent, who did that, when was the quotation sent, was it sent in the proper manner or not. Each step of that process was tracked and monitored by the person running the show. So, while we were to achieve something like this as what these 750 companies did, monitoring of each and every aspect of your online marketing is something which is very, very critical. Choose your partner who is going to give you this kind of a monitoring on a regular basis, and you would find yourself being benefited out of online marketing. It is not about technology anymore. It is all about what is the level of importance that you really want to associate with this exercise of online marketing, because the results here, they are startling. 300 crores versus 4.5 crores, sales versus spend. Nobody else, none of the media probably can give you this kind of an ROI, right? And it's a fact that we've seen with companies which are small, medium in size. And towards the end of it, just to give you an overview of our company, we've been working with these small and medium enterprises for almost 14 years now. And some of these achievements that we have in the form of the Red Herring Award, the Emerging India Award, they all point towards the fact that within these 14 years, the effort that we've put with the SME, we could have done it only because of sound practices, and the results that we could see for the companies who were associated with us, this result is only an outcome of this same hard work that has been put here and the amount of hard work which the entrepreneurs themselves from these companies have put in, right? That's what I just wanted to share with you in a brief presentation. Thank you so much.